Amazingly interesting and extremely exciting scene over Marco Island, Florida, camera at AllSkyCam on the 20th of February 2024, although it's still there today. On the 23rd, it's still there. And what do we have next to the big palm tree or whatever, facing south? There's this massive artificial white sun. What do we have here? Oh dear. And this object is rotating. It looks like a silver war planet with its communication dish. That looks like its communication dish or its weapon for firing. I've seen one of these war planets actually fire its weapon. It was absolutely fantastic. It was a camera that was looking at it was in Australia, a camera over an airfield, but it was looking out into the sky, and you could see this rotating object like a war planet, and it were rotating, and it suddenly stopped, and and you could see the dish, the indented dish, and it fired its weapon, plasma weapon, from the dish, and it fired it out into space. It looked totally black. It was like, what are you doing, mate? These aliens must have gone gaga. Because it fired this weapon into empty black space, but next minute, you know, another war planet lights up like a Christmas tree, and you could see the energy field around it deflecting the what is it? Just absolutely amazing, just amazing. And it was like shock horror. So they must have known that there was an object there. So this were coming up from below us, because this was like Australia. So if you think about it, these war planets were coming up from below us, and they were battling it out. Absolutely fantastic. But this one doesn't sit, just seems to be rotating, and is still there for the last 3 days and hasn't done anything. So that means it could be Andromedian friendly, or it could be Draco enemy, waiting for the rest of the fleet or some of the fleet to turn up. But yeah, it was rotating like a good one. See, you can't fool us. These aliens, these ET Dracos, think they can hide behind this white sun, but you can't fool us. you can't fool us. We can see you. Gotcha. Gotcha. We're tracking it. Marco Island. No crybabies. It's going to be a fantastic space war. Draco Andromedian space war over planet Earth. I know, you never thought you were that special. Well, it seems that you're right special. It seems like every ET alien and his mama are in our solar system. Because we must be the best planet in the galaxy. You know, beautiful blue green planet with white clouds and white fluffy clouds. That, you know, them white fluffy clouds, they float on the magnetic field of the Earth, don't they? That's how you know where the magnetic field is, because, you know, that's what clouds do. That's anti-gravity. The clouds, the water in the clouds is actually, that's the transformation, isn't it, of the anti-gravity. Because you know how heavy water is. Well, how can heavy water just float along? Because there's something going on in it. It's the ionization, the transformation of the water molecules into water vapour that floats up because water is diamagnetic, which means water is attracted to a magnet. If you know from chemistry or physics lessons, water is diamagnetic. That's the reason. If you run a tap of water and then you put a magnet, either a north or south, the water will be attracted to it. Well, this is what's going on. And this is the diamagnetic material is what you use to build your spacecraft, obviously. Yeah. But yeah, this thing's rotating like a good one. It's a beauty. I just wish it had come out from... It's always trying to hide behind this brilliant white artificial sun. I just wish it had come out from there and give us all a really good look. I could zoom in. Yeah, and stop trying to hide behind this tree. They might just want a holiday in the sun in Florida. You never know. I mean, who wouldn't want to go to Florida for a bit of sun? So they might be here on their holidays, for all we know. Then again, they may be the Draco Interstellar Destroyer, or they could be the Andromedian Greek friendly, your local friendly Andromedian Greek combat fleet defending planets in our galaxy from the Draco nasties, intent on turning Earth into another asteroid belt. Maybe that's what happened to the poor old asteroid belt. It was a planet that blew up. I wonder who blew it up. Anyway, nice work if you can get it. I wonder what they're having for tea on this planet, this rotating war planet. Probably having fish and chips or a kebab. Or maybe they're having a Taco Bell. Maybe they're coming down for a Taco Bell, or in America. Or there's plenty of, or a Long John Silver's. Or what else is there? KFC. You know, some of these restaurants, it's, all you can eat. It might be the local Chinese all you can eat. Or it could be the free Coke. Unlimited Cokes. 2 for the price of 1. Fascinating.